Good morning to one and all. I'm G. Vamshwardhan from Tribly Branch. Today's my topic was about digital to analog converted. What does digital signal processing (DSP) mean? Digital signal processing (DSP) is a process of analyzing and modifying a signal to optimize or improve its efficiency or performance. It involves applying various mathematical and computational algorithms to analog and digital signals to produce a signals that's of higher quality than original signal. Techopedia explains the digital signal processing (DSP). DSP is a primarily used to detect errors and to filters and compress analog signals its transit. It is type of signal processing performed through a digital signal processor or similarly capable DSs that can execute DSP specific processing algorithms. Typically, DSP first converts an analog signal into digital small and then applies signal processing techniques and algorithms. For examples, when performed on audio signals, DSP helps reduce noise and distortion. Some of the applications of DSP include audio signal processing, digital image processing, speed recognition, biomedicine, and more. What does signal mean? A signal is an electrical or electromagnetic current that is used for carrying data from one device or network to another. It is a key component behind virtual all communication, computing, networking, electronic device. A signal can be either analog or digital. Techopedia explains signal. Typically, a signal is created when a command or data is sent to device. It has implementation in electrical and electronic components as well as, but it mainly refers to analog and digital communication technologies and devices. Each signal carries data in some form. The data is fed into signal using analog or digital modulation techniques depending upon source and destination device and or medium. Besides communication device that broadcast a signal externally to the host system. Signals are also used to communicate and send instruction by processors or memory. What does digital signal processing mean? Digital signal processing (DSP) is a process of analyzing and modifying a signal to optimize or improve its efficiency or performance. It involves applying various mathematical and computational algorithms to analog and digital signals to produce a signals that are of higher quality than an original signal. Techopedia explains the digital signal processing (DSP). DSP is primarily used to detect errors and to filter and compress analog signals in transit. This type of signal processing performed through a digital signal processor or similarly capable device that can execute DSP specific processing algorithms. Typically, DSP first converts an analog signal into digital signal, then applies signal processing techniques and algorithms. For example, when performed on audio signal, DSP helps reduce noise and distortion. Some of the applications of DSP include audio signal processing, digital image processing, specific recognition, and biomedicine, and more. What does digital to analog conversion mean? Digital to analog conversion (DA) is a process of changing a digital signal in form of zeros and ones or highs and lows to analog form signal one with infinitely many levels and states. Electronic device used for this purpose is known as digital to analog converter or DAC. DAC converts a signal form of digital to analog form. Techopedia explains digital to analog conversion. The technique of converting a signal which can be current, voltage, electric charge or any other type of electronic signal a digital form has limited number of levels or stages into infinitely many levels and stages. Analog form is called digital to analog conversion. The processing involves the use of hardware as well as software for Successful execution converting a signal from digital to analog can result in degradation of signal, which can be minimized by using good quality hardware and efficient algorithms. Moreover, the DAC are usually available in form of integrated circuits (ICS). The resolution of DAC depends on type of circuit and architecture it is needed for. What does analog to digital converter mean? Analog to digital converter is a device that converts analog signals continuous quality into digital signal discrete time digital representation. The analog signals is a continuously residual waveform that cannot be read by computer, hence we that need for conversion. By converting analog signal, data can be applied added or taken from original signal. Takeopedia explain analog to digital converter. The usual conversion process make use of comparator where it saves some point the value of the input analog signal is compared to the standard, so converter will know if the input warrants high or low signal. In case of audio digital conversion, the amplitude or volume is constantly measured, and the output is list of binary data that contains sound wave values. Typically, only signal chip does not have conversion. The rest of components or other functions. Thank you. This PPT made by G. Vamshivardhan.